Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. The authorities have suspended search and rescue activities for the missing woman who was one of the passengers on a capsized boat in St. Mary. The police say the search may resume tomorrow depending on the weather. As Sandy Williams reports, the woman was part of a group of beachgoers who went on a boat ride.
This is the vessel that capsized with about 9 people near Strawberry Fields in Robbins Bay, St. Mary on Saturday. The jagged edge of the bow of the master blaster is a grim reminder of the disaster that occurred. It's understood that several members of the group, believed to be from various parts of the corporate area, boarded the vessel after consenting to a boat ride off the St. Mary coast. Shortly after leaving the shore, the boat overturned. Fisherfolk in the area quickly sprang into action and managed to rescue some of the passengers and the boat operator. However, a 21-year-old woman remains missing. Rescue efforts are still ongoing.
We go out there search same way, but we don't see nothing. The water dirty down the same way, so run a little risk same way, but we don't see nothing.
We all fishermen, and support, but I don't really feel good over it. It's a human life lost.
Head of the St. Mary Police Division, Superintendent Bobette Morgan Simpson said the Jamaica Defense Force have begun their search.
They will be piloting the search today in terms of searching for the missing female. At the moment, there's not much we can do because our marine boat that we have in the division is not able to traverse the waters based on the weather conditions.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.